YouTube, welcome back to another video. I am super excited to bring you guys along today for a little day in the life. I want to go take myself out for lunch. I need to go run an errand to the dollar store. Matt and I need more hangers
because I've been doing some damage, doing a little shopping.
And I don't know what else is in store for the day, but figured it would be a fun, it's beautiful out. So figured today would be a fun, bring you along for a little day in the life. So I'm gonna be heading out the door in just a few minutes here. I'm gonna grab, I've got
my wallet,
my sunglasses. Ooh, they were coming out of the thing. This is my little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this hunter green crop top from Amazon, Abercrombie light wash jeans, my white Converse. I'm gonna grab a little sweater. And yeah, the plan is we're gonna go to Toasted.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I need to still finish my athletic greens. I think I finished that banana though, at least. Okay, yeah, there's no rogue banana anywhere, so.
That's good.
I at least finished my breakfast, but I want to go take myself out for lunch. I need to finish my greens, and I want to, there's a little parking lot right near Toasted that I think I want to go do a few outfit photos. So I have a little tripod in my car that I figure now is the perfect time to use that, test that out a little bit. So I think we'll do some photos, we'll do a little lunch.
And then go to the dollar store.
So yeah, let's get into it. In the parking lot, and I am going to take some Instagram photos right now. Got my tripod, we're ready to do this. Toasted. I just had such a lovely lunch. I'm reading my book, Malibu Rising. It's so freaking
good.
You know when you're like still at the beginning part of a book and you like are already invested in the characters and the storyline enough, but you don't really know where the story is going necessarily.
Oh, it's just like one of my favorite things ever.
Rediscovering my love of reading has been one of my greatest joys in this like last year. Honestly, 2023 has been my reading year. I started reading The People We Meet on Vacation by Emily Henry, I think her name is. I read that in February when Matt and I went to Florida, and since February I've just been on a reading streak. It's been so good. I've read like 8 or maybe even 9 books so far this year, which is huge for me because honestly I probably read 9 books from like 2011 to 2023. No joke, like I did not read it all. So got the rest of my matcha to go, and now I'm gonna head to the dollar store to go get Matt and I some new hangers. I am just about to leave. You can see it behind me. Family Dollar. I was in and out, literally. Just went to get hangers. Cost us $2.70
for 14 hangers.
So I'm thrilled. I just got 2 7-packs. I wanted the ones with little divots in them because I've gotten like some dresses and tank tops and stuff, and hanging the straps in these is super helpful so that they don't slide off.
Other hangers, so yeah.
Super simple, nothing fancy
at all.
So now I want to head home because I want to go sit on the terrace
and just keep
reading my book. And also I want to see if Matt needs help with any dinner prep. I think we're gonna do some
rice, chickpea, mango bowls, so
I'll definitely be sure to show you that because that is just a
amazing dinner.
Starting to become one of our staples in the rotation. So yeah, let's head home. Okay, wait, and I think I also forgot to talk to you about the photos that I took in the parking lot. So, pro tip, if you want to get some great photos of yourself with a good neutral background, go to a parking lot. Don't go to the top floor of it because it's going to be a little too bright. You want to go to like the second level or something.
Obviously, you don't want it to be like
packed with cars because that's not going to be a great aesthetic. But find a little empty area of the parking lot, bring your tripod, set it up. I got some great photos today. I'll show you a few of them. Like, they're really cute. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I'm super excited, and I also made a little video too, so
super excited to edit that
and get that out on like Reels, TikTok, and
YouTube Shorts. So
that's just my little reminder to you guys to not only go out there and be creative in taking your content, but to be unapologetic about it. Like, I was walking to that parking lot and there were people looking at me because I was carrying a tripod, and it's like,
who cares?
Literally, when you step into your unapologetic era, that's gonna be when things start to change, because what people are attracted to
is people who are
operating in their self-confidence, who are just like showing up with alignment, with energy, and just doing their stuff unapologetically. So let this be your permission slip to just
start showing up
unapologetically and do what you want.
Good stretch.
I am sitting outside on the terrace. Oh, feels so good. I have my headphones in because I am watching Na's vlog. You can't really see it because of the light, but she just put out a video, so I'm watching that.
And I'm gonna pause it
and journal a little bit. Enjoy the sunshine. There was a girl out here. I came out before and I was like, ooh, don't let me interrupt you. And she was like, no, I was getting up.
And she had on a little tube top.
And I was like, ooh.
That is so smart.
And I don't own a tube top, but I own tank tops, and so I just threw the little straps down on this, and I'm like, this is perfect. Enjoy what's left of the sunshine. Get these pale legs, a little bit of color, ideally. I'm just gonna sit in the sun. I'm gonna journal a little. Yeah, just enjoy this beautiful freaking day. Oh, it is just perfect out. I'm really happy with how I've pivoted the day and used the time for myself. It's been such a nice day of like self-care, and I have been working through some stuff in therapy, and it's been really helpful to just be journaling. I've journaled more, I would say, in the last 2 weeks than I did for probably the last like 2 months. I really kind of fell off my journaling practice in just being so busy and going after new business and like pouring so much time and effort and energy into my consulting clients and projects. I'm just reminding myself of the importance to take time, because I make my own schedule. And on a beautiful day when we have limited days left of really nice weather in Buffalo, it's like the work will be there, and so I can take this time to enjoy and give myself an hour. I mean, I'm not even going to be out here for an hour. I'll be out here for like 20 minutes, you know, and just give myself that time to myself. So it's a reminder to take time for yourself today. It is 4:28 and I came back in after sitting outside for a little bit. I am starting to do a little bit of dinner prep because we're gonna make those chickpea bowls, and so I want to get the tiniest bit started. So I've got a red onion here. I'm gonna chop up a little bit of red onion. Gouda just stole my slipper. Hey Gouda, why'd you do that? It just would not be a vlog if Gouda didn't interrupt it in some way, because as I watch my videos when they go out, like I always watch to make sure there are no errors or anything like that. The number of times Gouda interrupts while filming is just, it is unfathomable. You would think he were a toddler, like a human toddler, but he's not. He's just a really extremely needy Australian Labradoodle. So heads up, if you're not in the market for a very needy, attention-seeking dog, I would not recommend an Australian Labradoodle, but at the same time, obviously I would recommend.
He's the best dog ever. I love him so much, but man,
he has been needy lately. He has been wanting my attention all the time. He has been refusing to go on walks lately with Matt. Literally, Matt will get ready, go, and Goody will trot back in to the main room. He's staring at me right now because he knows I'm talking about him, and he's looking because I have a knife in my hand. He'll trot back in and just look at me, come right over to my desk and look up like you're gonna take me, right? And it's like, no, bro, I didn't offer. Your dad offered. And he'll just refuse to go.
Until I take him. It's
so annoying. So we've been working on that.
But yeah, I am here.
Chopping up onions. They haven't gotten to me yet, but I know they're gonna get to me soon. So enjoying the lack of the eye burn while it lasts. I'm gonna do these and then figure out what is next to prep. I chopped up the onions and the cilantro. Matt got our chickpeas all prepped. Those look really freaking good. I can put this thing with the cilantro away. All we have left to do is roast the chickpeas. I actually want to ask Matt whether he wants to do those in the oven or the air fryer. He did them, I think, in the air fryer last time, and they were so good because they were so nice and crispy.
Matt has to chop up the
mango for us because, fun fact about me, I'm allergic to mango skin.
Literally,
I have the same allergy that my mom has, and when I touch mango skin, my
hands get like a rash. They get like
little bumps and stuff. Oddly, I can eat mango, but I just can't touch it, so like I can't chop it. It's a very weird, bizarre allergy to have.
So I'm gonna wait for Matt on those. I think that's the last
thing in the dish that needs to be prepped because, well, we've got the rice and we have leftover rice as well. So we don't even need to wait for the rice to finish cooking. Let me quick
check
the recipe. This recipe is by Plant Base RD, Catherine Perez. Shout out to her. She has 664,000 followers. She's amazing. She adds tofu into this recipe, which we're not doing, but she's got the whole recipe in the caption, which I love and so appreciate. We're also not adding avocado into this.
Oh, a jalapeno. That is the other thing
that I need to prep. So let me prep that jalapeno. So that is dinner. We have rice,
some chickpeas with smoked paprika,
cumin,
garlic powder and onion powder.
We've got cilantro,
onion,
cucumber, and mango.
All together.
We are gonna eat these bowls. I'm so excited. Matt's looks so freaking delicious, and he is doing a drizzle of spicy mayo on top. Oh my God. It looks so good. So I'm so excited to eat, and I'm gonna end the vlog off here. So if you guys liked it, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Trying to find the light here. Okay.